Hi and welcome to the fifth part of our Invoices tutorial. In this video I'm gonna implement search by date range to our list of invoices. There are a lot of methods to make it. You can make it manually or using gem. So in this case I'm gonna use gem, which is called Ransack. So let's go to the GitHub page, and we should use it in our application. This is a simple and powerful gem for searching. Okay, so let's go. Open up your project and then go to gem file and install our Ransack gem. Save the gem file, go to your terminal and run bundle, and it will install the gem. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open up my controllers, my invoices controller, and we should paste some code here to check out we're ready. Let's launch our server. And I'm gonna use the example code in the GitHub page of Ransack. So first go to your localhost, port 3000, okay, and I'm gonna refactor a little bit this code, this page. So open your views index page. Okay, now I'm gonna replace the name of invoice with this button. Okay. Paste here these lines of code. First, I'm gonna create div with class of call md2 and put here the link, our link. Control X. Maybe we need to add container. Okay, I'm gonna create a special separate div with class container. Okay, seems like it's working. Go back to your controller and change the code inside our index. First, we need to declare our search variable and make it equal to invoice search of params q. This line is from this. I took it from the Ransack GitHub page. So this is a Ransack DSL, and make our invoices equal to the search, to the result of search. Okay, save our file. Go to your index page. And I'm gonna paste here search form. This is a special helper which I also copied from Ransack page. It's called search form for search. Our URL will be search invoices path HTML class form inline. And I'm going to declare call md8 and call md of set of 2. And also declare the method of post. Create the block, and don't forget to end this block. Okay, inside our form I'm gonna create a special div with class of input date range, and inside we're gonna create our inputs for search. Div class of call, let's say md4, and inside we're gonna create the start date. I'm gonna use simple form like syntax, so it would look like this: text field, this is our date, this is a column from our database, so we're gonna search by date and paste a special word greater or equal. This is from Ransack. This is Ransack domain specific language. So we're gonna paste here our date, which is equal or greater than, which is less or equal than our date that we want. This class of form control. And I'm gonna put here placeholder of date greater or equal to. Okay, after that just copy and paste here, copy, paste here, our second input, and the date will be less than equal. Less or equal. And here just change from greater sign to less sign. And I'm gonna put here a special icon. It's called ND1. Ampersand. Okay, fine. Now write our submit button. Call MD2 form actions. And put here our submit button. Of class button success. Okay, and I believe we should change our routes. So go back to your Ransack page. Let's take a look. What it looks like this. Yeah. So we should change our routes. Go to open up your routes. Factor a little bit. Our code and paste here our collection search. Control C, Control B. Remember our path, search invoices path, so we should paste here exact this line, invoices search. Okay, we are ready. So type rake routes to watch all our routes. And make sure we correctly written this routes file. Yeah, this is search invoices path. Okay, our rails S. And refresh our page. And now see the styles are not working, so I want to fix this out with container fluid. Yeah, now it's working, but it's still looking so ugly, so I'm gonna refactor a little bit our styles. Okay, first let's exclude our button search from input date range. So find the closing tag and replace it here. Okay. And let's remove just this ampersand icons. Add call md offset of 1 and go back to our page. Okay, maybe we should take offset call md offset 1. Don't forget your columns, these classes in sum should be equal to 12. This is bootstrap grid. Okay, and maybe change our input SM to our average inputs. Two. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it input SM. And we should be able to paste here our special date. I'm gonna paste here with date picker, remember that, bootstrap date picker. So let's go to their GitHub page, date picker. And open up their online demo. This is their demo page, and we should paste our special date range class. And I'm gonna initialize with JavaScript. Okay, let's go to our JavaScript page file. This, and let's initialize our date range picker. First, we need to select by this class input date range. Okay, let's go back to our page, refresh, and yes, we are able to select by date range. See if this is our actual date range colored field. Okay, when we are able to select, let's search. I'm gonna search from, let's say, September till October. 1st October. Yes, and we should get our list empty because we create all these dates are from October to November. So okay, let's search, and we saw the unknown action. I believe this is in our controller, so let's close our JS file. Maybe we forgot to initialize Ransack. Let's go to their page. And take a look. Search. Yes, correct. I forgot to add this action, this special def action. Okay, let's copy that and paste it to our controller right below the search action. Okay, save our file and refresh browser. I'm gonna paste the date range from September to October. And now press search, and now see our list is empty. And let's search from October or from September to November, and all our invoices are here. So seems like it's working. So you can test it if there are some bugs, any bugs. So just send me the comments. Okay, once we are ready, maybe we can change our Bootstrap theme, because this theme is looking a bit ugly. So please go back to bootswatch.com. We can easily pick another theme. Let's pick this Cosmo theme. Okay, just open up your variables file and bootswatch file and open our vendor assets style sheets. I'm gonna change this bootswatch as CSS file. Just a copy, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and here Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and don't forget change your variables. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Save our file. Go back and refresh, and here we will be having the Cosmo theme. Okay, fine. Now it looks more, stylish, more professional. Let's change our styles. I'll just leave it here. Okay, looks like we are ready, and our search by date range is working. So don't forget to commit and deploy your latest changes. For today, this is all, and bye bye.